The history of the Department of Civil Engineering, University of Ibadan, started way back during the 1978-79 session as a civil engineering unit temporarily based in the Department of Agricultural and Forestry Engineering. Then as a unit, it was offering service courses to all other programs within the Faculty of Technology. It was upgraded as a full-fledged department in 1980 based on the recommendations of the Council for the Regulation of Engineering in Nigeria, (COREN), and the National Universities Commission, (NUC). The department was to develop, teach, and carry out research on civil engineering subjects. The primary objective of the department is to provide civil engineering programs at both the undergraduate and graduate levels, which is internationally recognized and at the same time relevant to the needs of a developing country such as Nigeria. The curriculum provides the student with a basic understanding of all areas of civil engineering practice. The following three options are available to the undergraduate students during their final year: Structures and Foundation Engineering, Highways and Transportation Engineering, and Water Resources and Environmental Engineering. The pioneering students in the department were admitted during the 1981-1982 session, and the first set graduated in 1986. Reports from industries, both within and outside the country, on the 24 sets of students that have graduated so far from the department have been excellent. In the Department of Civil Engineering, University of Ibadan, our undergraduate students society, Nigeria Institution of Civil Engineers Student Athletes, are proud conveners of an annual conference in the past 7 years. They have successfully published proceedings of the conferences in the past 4 editions. They are also exposed to extensive professional experience through regular excursions to civil engineering companies and industrial training. The postgraduate program of the Department of Civil Engineering UI commenced in 1997-1998 session, with the pioneering MSc students graduating in February 2000. The department had produced about 350 Masters of Science MSc students, 6 Masters of Philosophy candidates, and 21 PhDs. All these graduates and postgraduates of the department have successful careers in consulting, construction, oil and gas, telecommunication, and manufacturing companies, government ministries and parastatals, and the academia, and they have risen to responsible and leadership positions there. The department has over the years attracted staff of high caliber that have, in addition to their teaching and research activities, made contributions to conferences, learned and professional institutions, and government committees. The extent of effective innovativeness and evidence of continued intellectual productivity of the lecturers is made manifest in the quantity and quality of their publications in both local and foreign journals, as well as in securing research grants and patents. The Department of Civil Engineering at the University of Ibadan actively collaborates with 2 UK-based universities, namely the University of the West of England, Bristol, and the University of Wolverhampton, as well as the US-based Alabama A&M University, Alabama. At present, the department has academic staff strength of 18, 5 professors, 1 reader, 5 senior lecturers, 4 lecturer 1, 2 lecturer 2, and 1 associate lecturer. There are also 14 non-teaching members of staff, 8 technical and 6 administrative members of staff. Civil Engineering Department had benefited tremendously from the sound academic and administrative leadership offered her by past and present heads of department. The pioneering acting head in 1980 was Dr. G.A. Alade, a fellow of the Nigerian Society of Engineers, followed by Professor P.A. Oluwande, the first professor of public health engineering in Nigeria, who took over as the first substantive HOD. He was also the Dean of Faculty of Technology at the same time for 4 years. Professor O.A. Agbede, a fellow of the Academy of Science, was acting head for about 6 years. And then Engineer A. Fantola, FNSE, of blessed memory. Thereafter, Dr. S.O. Franklin was acting head for about 6 years, and he handed over to Dr. B.I.O. Downsey, who was coordinator for about 6 months and later acting head after the first tenure of Professor A.O. Coker, first alumnus acting head and first alumnus substantive head and professor, who currently heads the department. Dr. F. Olutoge was the immediate past acting head of the department. Over the years, researches have been initiated and built up in the following areas: reclaimed asphalt pavement, waste management, water quality management, traffic congestion studies, biotechnology, modeling, simulation and optimization studies, flood and erosion studies, structural failure studies, environmental studies for civil engineering infrastructures, pavement evaluation studies, structural design of buildings and bridges, construction materials, development of business incubation centers, structural analysis, project management, value engineering, geotechnical and geochemical studies, biomedical engineering, among many others. There is more to the Department of Civil Engineering, University of Ibadan in the nearest future, as we work hard to be the best among all.